Hello, this is Amy from Clutter Care, and today we're talking about Google Docs. I want to assure you that there's nothing to be scared about with Google Docs. It is very user friendly and it saves everything as you go. What you see here is a sample blog post that I was starting an outline for, and you can see that I have 4 sections. But what if by accident I delete a section? And I'll go down here and maybe I can add another car rental, and I spelled it wrong. And I'm going to go to the pool and all these things. And then by accident, I delete those as well. But there is always an undo at the top and a redo. So if I undo what I just did, those things come right back. And I can do it again. If I back up again and again and again, I will get back to, I keep undoing and undoing, and now I have my Y's at the beginning. So I can keep undoing or I can keep redoing going forward. Let's say I'll go forward and I really don't want those things and I really want to add these other things back. I can. So there is no way to mess this up. You can always go back or forward if you delete something by accident. Also, I wanted to show you that I've been working on this for a day or two, and so I can actually go into the File menu in the version history, and it has saved everything that I've done. You can see that I edited it today. I noticed it crossed out a few things, and it added a few things. Those are the things that I did today. And if I look even more closely, it will show me which things I did at what time. And if I go back to yesterday, we can look at it and see what I added yesterday. And I can always restore a certain version. So if I restore this version from yesterday, it actually adds a layer on top, and it doesn't still delete anything else that I've done. So I can always go back in my version history and see everything I've done. And if by accident I close it out, oh no, I closed it by accident. I clicked the wrong tab. It is always in my recent documents in my Google Drive, and I can open it right back up again. There is no save button because it is saving constantly. So I hope you are not scared to try all the features of Google Docs. For more quick tips like this, keep watching this playlist. To learn all that Google can do to make you more productive while saving you time and energy, register for my online classes linked below. I look forward to seeing you in class.